everyone. In this course, you will be using Excel to calculate your retail formulas each week in your problem set assignments. Okay, when you open your problem set assignments, you're going to see on the far left of the screen of your page, the practice problems. So make sure you read this very carefully to understand the formula work that you will need. You're going to have anywhere from 1 to 9, maybe even 12 practice problems. So once again, you're going to scroll down and read all of your practice problems on the far left. And then in the yellow areas in Excel is where you are going to calculate your numbers. So please remember, in this class, you must show your formula work. You must perform your formula work in Excel. Okay, please do not calculate your numbers with a calculator and then hand type your numbers in Excel. You will not earn full points even for the correct answers. I must see your formula work done in Excel. So I'm just going to do a quick demonstration for those of you who need a refresher in Excel, or for those of you who've never worked in Excel before. So I'm just going to do 2 short little practice problems. Again, if you need help, please reach out to me and let me know. But hopefully this demonstration will help you understand how to calculate numbers in Excel. So I grabbed 2 practice problems from chapter 3 of the textbook. So guys, make sure you are referencing the Tepper Green Retail Buying textbook for all of your math formulas for this course. Okay, so for this first practice problems, which again is here in the upper left, you will be calculating here the returns percentage. So what I did was I wrote the formula out here to the side so that I didn't have to toggle back and forth between the book and Excel. So the formula for calculating the returns percent is the dollar amount of returns, which is here. $484 is the dollar amount of returns divided by, remember in Excel, to divide numbers, you're going to use the / key. So make sure you locate the / key on your keyboard. Divided by gross sales, and the gross sales number is here, $7,286. Okay, so let's go ahead and enter the formula. Remember, in Excel, all formulas begin with an equal sign. So let's click equal, and then we're simply just going to click on the numbers. Remember, the formula is returns in dollars divided by gross sales. So we're going to click on returns in dollars. And as you can see, when you click on the number, it activates in Excel, and that lets Excel know that this number is being used in a formula. And remember, to divide 2 numbers, we're going to hit the / key, and the formula is returns in dollars divided by gross sales. So now we're going to click on gross sales and we're going to hit enter. And as you can see, the formula formatted the final answer as a decimal and not as a percentage. Guys, we want a percentage answer. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to do some formatting. So go, I don't know if you're working on a Mac or a PC, but on my computer, I like to use the drop-down menu, and I like to the drop-down menu for general number, and then go down to percentage and click on percentage. And as you can see, that formatted our number as a percentage. In this course, we like to show percentages to 1 decimal space, not 2. So let's take out the decimal space. So, oops, sorry, I clicked the wrong thing. So 1 decimal space, your final answer is 6.6%, which is the returns percent of $484 divided by your gross sales. So again, that is how we calculate in Excel using formulas. All right, so if you click on your yellow cell, you can see here the formula. So let me very quickly use the annotation. So this, guys, is your formula bar. So as I'm grading your work, I will be looking here to see your formula. And that will also help me determine, if you use the wrong formula. So as you can see here, your formula is in the formula bar. Okay, so let's go now to the next. Let's go to the next one. All right, so we're going to go to number 2. And this particular practice problem, there are 2 formulas that we need. The first one, we're going to find the returns in dollars. And once again, I wrote out the formula here. Remember, guys, all formulas are in the textbook, the Tepper Green textbook. So make sure each week you are making note of your formulas needed for each of the problem sets. So the first formula we need is going to be the gross sales, which is here. Gross sales is $452,500. And again, gross sales was given to us here in the practice problem, times the returns percent, which is 5.60%. And that will give us, guys, this first formula, which is the returns in dollars. And then our second formula is net sales. So the net sales formula is our gross sales, which is here, minus the returns dollars, which will be here. So let's put the formula into practice. Okay, first formula, gross sales times return percent. So remember, all Excel formulas begin with an equal. So we're gonna click equal, gross sales, click. Remember, once you click it, it activates, times the asterisk key is how we multiply in Excel, times 5.60%, enter. So the returns in dollars is $25,340. Guys, remember, when you are showing dollar amounts in Excel, we need to see 2 decimal spaces here, okay? So you can use the dollar format here at the top if that doesn't happen for you, or you can use the drop down and click on currency or accounting, and that will format your numbers with the dollar sign, the apostrophe, and the double decimal spaces. All right, so the second formula now is to take the returns in dollars, and we're going to actually take the gross sales, which is here again, and subtract out now your returns in dollars. And again, you will understand the formulas. The formulas are given to you in the textbook reading. So make sure you're reading the formulas and the textbook material each week. So let's calculate now the net sales. Once again, always start with the equal sign, equal gross sales minus returns in dollars, enter. And once again, your final dollar amount, your final answer here should be a dollar amount. So final answer is $427,160. All right, so once again, if you click on the yellow box and go up top, you will see your formula here, equals B7 minus D7. If you click on the formula here and look in the formula box, you will see your formula B7 times C7, and the equal sign is always in the front, and that is how you calculate using Excel. Okay, so good luck, and let me know if you have any problems in this course. Thank you.